this video we're tackling a seriously rough one. This car's been through it. It's got dirt, grime, scratches, you name it. But it's nothing we can't handle. The polish and protect packages that include exterior service are inclusive of wheel and tire cleaning as well as sealant application on the rubber to not only make it shine but also protect it. When you look at the paint up close, there's a lot of defects in it. With the polish and protect, you get a one-step polish. It's going to add gloss and it's going to remove light imperfections in the paint. And around this side on the rear quarter panel, underneath the paint defects, you can actually see where there's a moderate scratch. It wasn't completely through the paint, so we're going to go ahead and try to make this less visible. You can see here when I remove my finger, it's not just surface dirt, that's actually embedded contaminants in the paint that we need to take care of, and we will. And the interior, well, it's seen better days. Here's a pro tip to save yourself time. Start up top with the dashboard. Do all your crevice dusting because it's all going to fall down before you start vacuuming, even though there's a lot to do on the floor, but you're only going to make it worse by knocking everything down. So get all this area clean. Seats and carpets. We're going to go through, we're going to steam sanitize everything. We can't promise that stains will come out completely, but we're going to do our best. And if nothing else, it's going to be definitely cleaner and sanitized in there. We also deodorize the cabin and can give you a choice of scent. So we started with a full wash of the vehicle to get rid of the surface grime, and then we moved on to clay barring the entire surface to pull out deep contaminants in the paint. And after we prepped the surface, we also did an iron decon. After the prep, we got into polishing and we hit it hard. So I don't have any videos. We didn't take any pauses. We just worked together. But what you'll see in the after photos, it really brought back some depth and clarity to this paint. We also, obviously hit the inside of this vehicle intensely. We did some spot treatment of stains, and well, let's show you what happened. And just like that, evocative results. From trash to ready to turn heads again. Check out the shine. We brought back clarity, we brought back gloss, and we removed a lot of the surface imperfections in this paint. The inside came out great as well. Much cleaner smell inside, sanitized with steam. Thanks for watching. If you like this transformation, hit the like button, subscribe for more awesome detailed jobs we'll be putting out on a regular basis. We hope to see you back, and if you have any questions, please put them down in the comments below. See you soon.